Social trading, a risk-free way of earning money through online trading. Today, everyone is busy with their tight schedules. So are you. You don't have time to spend reading financial news and analyzing forex charts. You don't even have time to watch news. So what can you do about it then? Lay all the things aside and do forex? Or do all the routine and lay forex aside? That's when the need of social trading appears. Social trading gives you the opportunity to copy pro traders' strategies, apply and earn money with minimum risk. Because of this copying feature, we also call this copy trading. Following successful traders are easy on various social trading platforms like eToro and Zulu Trade. If you are interested in trying social trading because you are inexperienced in the field, you can try it by just spending around $200. There is another way of investing in social trading that's called copy funds. Copy funds is an automated system that allows you to sit and watch how the trade is being handled by a machine learning algorithm. Machine learning algorithms are based on groups of traders who do successful trades through successful strategies. This is one of the best ways to invest as it involves no human errors in decisions and prediction. Algorithms are tested using many parameters. Therefore, there is a very high potential on having profits. So if you are interested in social trading, please find the link in the description below to start trading with eToro, the world's popular social trading platform. That's about social trading. If you have read the tutorial file completely, congratulations. Step into the next tutorial, Advanced Chart Analysis. If not, read the tutorial carefully again as the lack of knowledge will end in losses.